When I first started trading, I kept hearing, you need the paid TradingView plan. But here's the truth. I didn't have the money for it. And maybe you don't either. So, do you really need it? Let me share my experience. When I was starting out, I tried different platforms. Some were clunky, some just felt outdated. TradingView stood out. Clean charts, smooth to use, works on both phone and desktop, and tons of indicators and community scripts. That's why I stuck with it, even on the free plan. Now, what do you actually get with the paid version? More indicators on one chart, multiple chart layouts at once, the famous bar replay tool for backtesting, faster data, and more alerts. If you're trading seriously, these features save you a lot of time. But here's the thing. When you're just starting out, you might be broke. I didn't have extra cash to spend on platforms. So I made the free plan work. Only 2 indicators. I learned how to combine multiple scripts into one custom indicator. That way I could still test strategies properly. No bar replay. I hit future candles and used the arrow keys to step through one bar at a time. It's slower, but way more realistic than seeing the future and tricking yourself. With a bit of creativity, the free plan gave me everything I needed to practice and learn. Later, when you start getting consistent and actually making money from trading, that's the right time to upgrade. So here's my advice. Start free, push it to the limit, and only upgrade when you're ready. If you do decide to unlock the full TradingView plan, I've dropped my link below. It supports the channel and helps me keep making videos like this for you. If you have any questions about getting started, tricks for the free plan, or combining indicators, drop them in the comments. I read everyone. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next video, where I'll show you exactly how to create a custom indicator that combines multiple tools into one without any coding knowledge. That way you can stretch the free plan even further